Hi, it's Matt here from Go Green Autos. So that is a 2014 Tesla Model S that's done 102,000 miles, and recently the traction battery under the floor there has been replaced under the 8-year warranty and replaced with a remanufactured pack. And a lot of people have asked me on those previous videos, what is the range now it's got that new pack? So I thought I'll film it. So I'm going to have a look at the app, knock it up to 100% and see what the range says. Oh, and before I continue, yes, I know the car is dirty. The car's always dirty because I live in the countryside. So many people have commented on the other videos how awful the car looks because it's dirty, but hey, I live in the countryside. It's all rural B roads and a few farm tracks, and the car looks like that at this time of year after what, 2 days or so. So yeah, people do love to make comments about dirty cars, but yeah, it's day-to-day life, and this is my daily driver, as people say nowadays, rather than a vehicle for sale. So if I go into my phone here and open up the Tesla app, let's just get in the shade somewhere, there we go. It will then communicate with the car. So if I open the charge port there with that button, and I don't know whether you can see over there, but the rear charge port has just, oh there we go, it's just opened. What we can now do is change the charge limit. Currently it's set at 81%. You can adjust this little slider and it shows you the mileage, the range. So if I whack that up to 100%, it's a bit difficult doing this one-handed, 290 miles it shows. Not that this car will ever do 290 miles, but anyway, that's what the app says if you knock it up to 100%. But I typically charge this to something like 70% overnight every day, and as of yet I haven't really done any long distance driving, but you know, just normal potting around, I'm not really noticing much different in the range than I did before. But of course it's winter now and it is cold and I've got the heating on all the time. But yeah, maybe in the future I'll do a range test video on this car. Thank you for watching the video. This channel gets small viewing numbers, so to get the video noticed in people's feeds, YouTube favours videos with what they term engagement, and that basically means comments. So please do comment on the video, do ask me questions, tell me what you want to see next. Also hit the little thumbs up button if you found the video useful or you liked it. Do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button and then press the bell to be notified when new videos get uploaded. Also have a look at the back catalogue of videos. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of videos on the channel already, and also use the search function to find videos that you might find interesting. Thank you very much.